Oh, Banana, what's wrong? Well, ever since you came around, I'm no longer the king of potassium. Oh, Banana, even if I have more potassium than you, we both still help heart function. Huh? Oh, yeah! Yay, heart function! Hello everyone, welcome to Harvest of the Month, where every month we're talking about a different harvest from one of our IDEA farms. And this October, we're talking all about zucchini. And I want to give a really big shout out to farmers Jaime and Nada out at IDEA Donna in Donna, Texas, where they actually tell me that zucchini is considered a fruit and their flowers are actually edible. And just like with all of our IDEA farm produce, this zucchini has made its way from the farm to our schools.
Ooh, edible flowers from the zucchini one day. One day on the menu, promise.
We'll get there.
Yeah, but for now, we're gonna enjoy our zucchini as zucchini moons. As IDEA Ingram showed us how they paired it together with our chicken Alfredo, which is a student favorite, and our Italian seasoned veggies along with the breadstick.
Chicken Alfredo is one of my favorite days. I'm so excited to make some zucchini moons.
Okay, so zucchini moons is actually one of IDEA's easiest scratch cooked recipes that we have on the menu. And I'm happy to report that everything that we're gonna actually do today is what our staff do every time that we serve these zucchini moons. They get the whole zucchini, cut the ends off. We don't need too much of the end off. Honestly, the whole thing is pretty edible, but you know, appearances. Then carefully, we're gonna cut it in half, and they use cut gloves at the kitchen to make sure that they can do this quickly and safely.
Safety first.
Exactly. And then, speaking of safety first, a little knife skill if you don't have them. We're gonna tuck our fingers in when we slice and try to do them all the same size so that they are cooking evenly. And the reason that we cut these into half moons like this is not only because moons are fun,
So cute.
is also because they're going to cook really quickly. They're gonna brown, they're not gonna get too soft, and also the students enjoy it, they're bite-sized.
Yep.
So like I said, we prepare these like this, they get them ready for the oven. The seasonings are just gonna be the olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Smells great when it's cooking, which we already have prepared here. And then from there, oven, and we wait.
Cool.
Okay, so it's been about like 8 to 10 minutes, and we did cook that on a high heat. The reason, again, we do that so it can cook quickly without overcooking and still getting this great color. Depending on how your oven's working, I also say you can turn on the broiler and put it up high and you'll still get this exact kind of look. And just like that, this is what our staff does for our students. From here, they would go into little portion containers for our kids. They'd be ready to enjoy.
Yep. I love how simple but delicious this dish is, and I can't wait to put it together with the rest of our menu.
All right, and here we have it. Chef Steph put our plate together, and this is exactly what our students get at school. We've got our chicken Alfredo made with that whole grain pasta, Alfredo sauce, and grilled chicken. We've got our whole grain breadstick, Normandy blend with that Italian seasoning, Italian veggie blend, and of course our star, our zucchini moons.
So delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Don't forget to visit our website at ideapublicschools.org, where you're going to find this recipe and so many more. And until next time, happy cooking.